Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is Sajid, and you're watching my YouTube channel where I teach programming languages and current videos about Java programming language. And my topic today is how to read files in Java. So, in previous chapter, we have discussed how to create and write to a file, and now in this video, we're gonna see how we can read from the files. So for this one, we will use a scanner file, and this is found in java.util package. Further, we need to use again the file.io java.io file class, java.io file not found exception class. So this is to handle error. Yeah, so let's look at the code. In this code here, we are creating an object of the file from which we want to read data, and then we are creating a scanner object and passing it the file object, so that this scanner attaches itself with the file from where to read the data. Then we have this while loop, because we are planning to read the file line by line as string. So what's gonna happen, we will go through all the file until we have any line left in the file. So for this purpose, to check if there is any line left to be read, we have this method, boolean method, myReader.has next line. So as we have scanner class, we will use myscanner.nextLine method. It will read a line and provide us as a data string. And we are and for further in the next line, we are whatever we are reading, we are printing here. Files in Java might be tricky, but it is fun enough. Yeah, and for at the end, don't forget to close the file after you have completely read it. And at the end, these things you are already familiar. This is the catch block where we are doing exception handling. So this is how we can read a text file line by line, by using scanner method, a scanner file scanner class, sorry. And now we get here some information. If you have to get some information about a file, then we can use some methods which are available in file class. So let's run this example. What we are doing here is that what we're doing here is that we have created a file object, and then what we are doing, system.out.println file name, here my object.get name, it returns the file name. Then we are using get absolute path, and then we are saying if file is writable, with can write method is readable. These are boolean these methods like can write or can read, they return true or false. These are their return type is boolean, and my object is can read. And then we have my object.length. This returns the file size in bytes. So because we have not written anything in this file, that's why we have zero size here. System.out.println, the file does not exist. So if for some reason the file doesn't exist, this small program prints out that file doesn't exist. So further, let's look at this some information here. There are many available classes in Java API that can be used to read and write files in Java, right? But in our example here, we have used, for example, to know information about a file, we have used file object, and to read data we have used scanner object. So there are many classes. For example, FileReader, BufferedReader, File Scanner, FileInputStream, FileWriter, BufferedWriter, FileOutputStream, etc. Which you want to use depends on Java version you are working with, and whether you need to read bytes or characters, and the size of the file or line, etc. Right? So you can explore these classes in detail, like what are the differences in them for further like understanding. Okay, here I'll wrap up video. I hope this been informative for you. So please do share it with your friends and colleagues if you think it's been a useful video, and share the channel, share like this video, and subscribe my channel so that we can bring more videos to you. So I will say goodbye. I'll be back with another video soon. Take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.